Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic, and when they combine them all, they get this right here. Well, why is that like that? Well, if we bring in a yellow box, there's white in the background. Now, you can't just take away the white because there's somebody, whoever drew this, drew it like this. So my suggestion in a case like this is to take them all and just left click, no fill, right click outline. And then just, let's say we want these colors. We want blue, so I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to get my eyedropper tool, and I'm going to use that same blue, and I'm going to fill that in. And the words are the same blue, so I'm going to fill this in. So there's really no way to do what he was trying to do. Now we're going to get our eyedropper tool and do that red. And then, if we grab them all and turn them all red, it does the same thing because the stuff is really there. But if we move this Smart Fill out of the way, let me set my nudge factor on like 10 inches. And let's move this out of the way and see there's still got an outline there. And just move these letters out of the way. And then we can change the color of the letters accordingly. I should have moved them further out of the way. That's probably going to take that C of there, but I can move it back. So now if we wanted to change the color to all red, we get that. And I don't know why you want to combine them. We could do blue, yellow, pink, any color, because this is a new object and there's, something wrong with this object, because if we just make it that color and then we grab it and try to make it blue, we get that because it's kind of still there and it's not a new object. So I just create a new object, and then you could change these to red, change these to blue just by, you don't have to group it together. You could group it together or maybe even combine it. But see, then it's going to change it. It's going to change all the colors to the same. So you could group it. And that's your objective, is if you wanted to change the color on everything to red or to blue. Anyway, I hope I understood the gentleman. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.